If you're looking for a 13x6 lace frontal wig and watch this video. Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you the updated 13x6 lace frontal wig. In the previous video I have showed a lot of 13x4 lace frontal wig, HD lace and transparent lace, also brown lace, and today's video I will show you the 13x6 lace frontal wig, the inside cap structure with the sample of this 13x6 lace frontal wig 22 inches. This is a deep wave texture with 13x6 lace frontal wig, and let's see the inside. And many people do care about the inside of the lace frontal wig, and see now ours, no matter 13x4 or 13x6 lace frontal wig, all are full size of 13x4 and 13x6. You can see that it's 6 inches depth and 13 inches here, so it's a full 13x6 lace. So compared with the market 13x6 wig, actually we have more ventilation size, and which also allow you to have more parting space, more versatile and more parting space for yours to do the parting. And also the frontal is pre-plucked. You can see very natural hairline and well knotted, well ventilated, and inside is the comb and adjusted band and strap and band to fit you well. So this is the 13x6 lace frontal wig. You can see inside. So we can do other textures and all different type of hair, Remy hair and virgin hair for customization. So if you're looking for a real parting 13x6 lace frontal wig with fully more versatile 13x6 parting space, do contact us or just place your order on our website. And thank you for watching today's video, and have a great